Welcome to all the safety professionals and who are aspiring to become a safety professional. You are all aware that NIBOSH is a very important course. Now, NIBOSH has introduced open book exam format, and there are many doubts regarding that open book exam format. In this session, we are going to clarify all those doubts. NIBOSH, you are all aware that from 2019 November, the NIBOSH has introduced a new syllabus, and in the new syllabus, there are two papers, IG1 and IG2. IG1 is a paper which deals with the management of health and safety, and it is a theoretical paper, and you used to go to a place and write the exam under the invigilation of British Council, and the duration was 2.5 hours. And IG2, it was a risk profiling, risk assessment. Now, due to the corona, the NIBOSH has made a changes in the exam format. Okay. They have introduced open book exam for IG1 and old syllabus IGC1. What is open book exam? Is it true? Has the NIBOSH has officially announced? Yes, it is true. It has been officially announced by NIBOSH, and the first exam of this open book format is going to be conducted on August 6th. Has the same value of the previous NIBOSH qualification IGC? Yes, it has the same qualification, same credit points and same approval. So no need to worry about that. It has the same value. What is open book exam? It's very simple. The open book exam means instead of the learner going to a hall and writing the exam, they can sit in their home or any other comfortable location and answer the question. He can refer notes, NIBOSH book, digital resources, but he should not copy and paste. What is the duration? Time duration is, they have given 24 hours. See, the coming exam is on August 6th. On August 6th, you will receive an examination file. In that file, there will be a scenario, and based on that scenario, there will be several tasks. So you have to answer those tasks. Now, there is a word count. Word count becomes an important thing. For 100 marks of this exam, they expect 3000 words with plus or minus 10%. That means 2700 to 3300 words are accepted. So it means that for each mark, you need to write 30 words. So this word counts will play an important role. When there is a 10 mark question, you have to write 300 words. So plus or minus 10%. So 270 to 330 words. When your answer goes beyond that 330 words, that will not be taken into account. So you have to limit your answer. And after finishing this exam, 24 hours, you have to upload your file. Before that 24 hours complete, you have to upload the file. Then next part will be the closing interview. Closing interview means that will be conducted by your course provider. There it will be approximately 15 minutes procedure. There they will check your ID proof and they will ask some questions from the examination to see whether you have written by yourself. So this is approximately 15 minutes procedure. And this does not carry any mark. It is not an assessment. It is just a check. Okay. So this is the open book examination. What will happen is before 3 days of the examination, for example, now the examination is on August 6th. Before 3 days of examination, on August 3rd, you will receive an email with the username and temporary password. You can enter and change the password so that you can get familiarized with the NIBOSH platform. So no need to get stuck up on the examination date. So you can go through the platform and be familiar with that. But that examination file you will receive only on the date of the examination. And in the examination file there will be questions and answer template. You have to write your answer in the template, and before the completion of the 24 hours you need to submit the paper. So this is a basic idea we have given. We understand that you will have a lot of doubts regarding this new format exam, and to clarify all your doubts we have arranged a free seminar through Google Meet on coming Sunday, that is August 2nd of 2020 at 9:30 of the morning. So please refer the WhatsApp number given in the description, and whoever are interested, you can join the free seminar and clarify all your doubts. Thank you. Catch you again. Bye.